Let me tell you, blockchain is a future and there is on demand. Right now, the demand is more than 500% skilled people we required in the industry who work on the blockchain technology. So it is having a great opportunity for the students. So I encourage them to learn these technology, which is future and very high packaging job company are giving.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Megaheartz show brought to you by the Megaheartz Society of IIIT Bhubaneswar. I'm Adasha and today with us we have yet another amazing guest, Dr. Suraj Sharma. He has worked as an ex-faculty at IIIT Bhubaneswar and currently he is working as an associate professor at Guru Ghasidas Vishwavidyalaya Central University, Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh. He has a rich background in academia and research, you must know. He has done his master's in technology in the field of computer science and even holds a PhD degree in wireless sensor networks and security. So let's welcome Dr. Sharma. Hello, sir. It's lovely having you here. Hope you're doing fine.
Yeah, I'm doing very well, and I hope you guys are also doing very well. It's always good to look back and to see the uh, old institute where I worked I think 10 years of my career. I have started my career there, and recently I moved into Central University. So yeah, it's very good, and I'm excited in this particular talk. So thank you very much.
Yes, sir, we are thrilled as well. So let's start with the questionnaire without any further delay. So, sir, here's my first question for you. That since you have such a rich background in blockchain, IoT, and wireless sensor networks, so we would like to know about your notable research findings that would have contributed to the advancements in technology.
See, in 2010 to 12, I have started my journey of PhD. At that particular time, I have decided to work on the technology which was recent at that particular time as wireless sensor network. So I have started my research on finding out the efficient protocols for routing in wireless sensor network. So as we all know, like a wireless sensor network has many applications from different type of monitoring. Let's say if we have a fire alarm system, or a motion sensor system in the border, or fire edge detection in the jungle, or anything like some gas emission in some of the factories. So there are vast areas in wireless sensor network, and the enhanced version of wireless sensor network is IoT, which we see in today's version. So one part of IoT is wireless sensor network, and then there are cloud is also in wireless sensor network, then machine learning, then AI part, then your mobile applications. So all these are the enhanced technology that has been incorporated in wireless sensor network, and we know that it is IoT right now. And when we talk about this blockchain technology, so we know that in 2009 there is a buzzword that we have seen as the cryptocurrency, right? And the blockchain is involved in creating of those cryptocurrency. So this is the whole journey I have started, and I have done a number of papers. Some of the student like you have worked with me, and we have produced numerous research papers on that particular, as well as we have different patents related to that technology. Yeah.
Okay, sir. That was lovely to hear, sir. Okay, sir. Now, sir, I would like to say that it is no secret that you were the cloud computing head in our college. So, what was your role basically, and what was your experience working here?
Yeah. So during my stay in IIIT Bhubaneswar, actually it was very pleasant and a very fruitful experience of my tenure in IIIT. I have started IoT lab there, and I have also started cloud computing lab there.
So, that's lovely to
So
hear
in
that you were the
yeah.
pioneer of IoT lab. That's very lovely to hear.
Yeah. So if we'll talk about this cloud computing lab, so how it is started. So I have introduced this cloud computing theory subject to, I think, the pre-final year students, and suddenly the thing came like, if I am giving the theory aspect of cloud computing, why not the practical aspect of cloud computing? So from there, I have given the proposal for creating a cloud computing lab, and we have purchased around 10 high computing system, and there are some students who are involved on that creation of the cloud system, and we have used the OpenStack to do that. So it was a wonderful learning experience for me, as well as for the student who have involved on that, and I am sure some of the students are still involved on maintaining that cloud that we have already created. So yeah, it is very wonderful experience, and people have gained a different knowledge out of it.
Sir, that was lovely to hear that you had been so resourceful in the institution. I didn't know a speck about it, but that's lovely to hear,
Thank you,
sir.
thank you, thank you.
Okay. Okay, sir. Now coming on to the third question, that since you are very passionate about these subjects like blockchain, IoT, wireless sensor networks, so sir, if there's a novice student who wants to learn this, what will be the learning outcome for him or her, and what is the scope of the subjects? What can he or she expect out of your subjects?
Right. So it is very good question, and many people ask me that, sir, in which area I have to start working on. We know that machine learning and AI is booming like anything in today's world, but we doesn't have to forget the parallel technology also, like IoT, cloud computing. See, in the IoT and cloud computing, numerous work is going on, and companies are looking for the solution which is given by cloud right now. So we know that how Amazon, like Microsoft, Google, many companies are giving the services related to cloud. So we have like software as a service, we have platform as a service, we have this infrastructure as a service, and many companies are giving these services and growing themselves. Next thing is your blockchain. Blockchain is looking like somehow complicated to many people, but yeah. So this is what I experienced. So many people are thinking that, yeah, blockchain is very complicated technology, but it is not. Actually, it is very simple technology, but very powerful decentralized technology, and with the help of that we can able to develop distributed application, which is the future of many applications. So like I was involved with a project which is related to land record of Odisha, like how we can digitize the land record of Odisha through blockchain, so that we can provide the security, more security on it. And we have successfully delivered the product what they want, and it is also a very wonderful experience, and the people who are involved in that, they got very high package, like in the last year when I left, 87 lakhs package one of your senior got through that particular technology, which is your blockchain. So let me tell you, blockchain is a future, and there is on demand. Right now the demand is more than 500% skilled people we required in the industry who work on the blockchain technology. So it is having a great opportunity for the students. So I encourage them to learn these technology, which is future and very high packaging job company are giving.
Okay, sir, that high package sounds very tempting, I must say. Now, I would
Right.
say that as you quoted that you had been into some practical applications with the help of the technology that you are passionate about. Now, coming on to this practical application things, I have another question for you. So, there is always this gap between theoretical concepts and practical application that acts as a setback for a student to stand out as a developer in any kind of technology. How did you bridge that gap for your own students?
See, right now we cannot rely on only theory. We have to give some practical aspect to learn to the students. So as a teacher, I always believe in theoretical aspect along with the practical one. So if I'll not give any practical example of a theory, so people will not be interested to listen to me, right? And always if we'll involve them into the practical aspect of any technology, definitely they will give their 100% to learn, as well as they will become more enthusiasm to get some more aspect out of those practical knowledge. So practical knowledge is very much important as theory. Like if you learn the theory, then you have to convert it into practical. This is what we are doing, right? We learn the algorithm and we have to do the programming. So always the practical and the theory both have the same advantage. So I always encourage my student to work on the practical aspect of the theory.
Yes, so you mean that they shouldn't be afraid of the failures that are coming ahead. They should do it for the sake of the practical applications to learn something in
Right,
reality, right,
right,
sir?
right, right.
Okay, sir. That was a lovely outcome of what you said. Now, sir, coming on to the last and my favorite question for you. What is that one particular piece of advice that you would like to give to us, the youngsters?
See, you people have multiple opportunity available, right? At the time when I was in your age, we doesn't have the access to internet. If we require the internet, we have to go to the cyber cafe, right? And we know that it is very expensive. The net speed is very slow. And there is not much content in the internet, right now we have numerous, we have abundant of knowledge, right? And my humble request or my humble suggestion to all the student, including IIIT, to find out your aim at least in first year, that in which technology you want to excel. You have to have the proper basic knowledge on your area. Let's say if you are in a computer science, so we have at least 5 to 8 computer science based theory subjects, right? And the practical knowledge of it is very much important. And after that, you have to choose at least one technology in which you will make an excellence. So my suggestion is to all of you is pick a technology, excel on that. Definitely there is no limit, and as we say that there is ample of opportunity out there. You just prepare yourself, or you can make I can say that you can make yourself employable, right? If you'll make yourself skillful, then you will become employable, and this is our goal, right? Ultimately we have to serve the society, we have to serve our family, we have to serve our nation. So this should be the goal to all the students of IIIT and all the people who are listening this particular podcast or this particular event of IIIT Megaheartz. And I what I can say is, I can say all the best to you people. You people are doing great to get to collecting these type of knowledge and giving back to your juniors. So thank you very much.
Okay, sir, that was lovely to hear that we need to be very structured right from the beginning so that we are industry ready. Basically, you wanted to say that, sir, isn't it?
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay, sir, that was a lovely suggestion from your side. So, thank you so much, sir, again for joining us today. It was so lovely having you here.
Thank you so much of having me. Thank you.
So that's it, guys, for episode 3. Thank you so much for joining us today. Hope you got to learn much about technology and research from the journey of the guest of today. So keep learning, keep hustling, and keep watching The Megaheartz Show.